From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, as we go outside, we can see that the roads are wet. And once again, just to kind of remind you that, with this temperatures dropping for this evening, we could be looking at some areas of black ice or even some light snow coming down for this evening. So we have a little mixture of rain or snow right now, but it's going to be changing into snow. Overnight, early tomorrow morning, there's a possibility of an inch of snow for the valley. Twin Falls, about 1 to 2 inches, 1 to 3 inches for Jerome, 2 to 4 inches for McCall, and the same thing for Sunvale and most of the mountains. Maybe as much as 6 inches in some of the higher elevations and some of the ski resorts. So that looks pretty good in that respect. Now, in the way of wind, here are some of the wind speeds. It's up to 21 miles an hour in Mountain Home, so wind chills are a pretty big deal outside right now. And when you look at some of the peak wind gusts, we had a peak wind gust this afternoon of 22 miles an hour. And tomorrow it's about the same. As you saw, Twin Falls with a 35 mile an hour wind gust. Tomorrow, winds will be anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles an hour. And we could be seeing some gusts that are just a little bit over 20 miles an hour for tomorrow afternoon between 2 to 4 o'clock. And with the temperatures that we have, that means wind chills most of the day will be in the 20s. So look at what's happening outside right now. It's starting to change over. I did see some rain in spots, but it's starting to change over right now to mainly snow around the valley. And so, like I said, there's going to be anywhere from about, maybe could be 1 to 2 inches for Weiser, same thing for Ontario. Most of the valley will be about an inch of snow, and then a little more as you get east of Boise, which is what this storm system has been producing, is a little heavier snow out toward the Magic Valley and especially east of Mountain Home. As you look at the moisture, most of it's down here to the south, and as it swings up, it's going to be moving more toward eastern Idaho as well as the Magic Valley. However, there's still going to be some moisture that will be moving into our area. Now, once it moves through, cold air comes in behind it. And that's what I'm going to show you in the 7-day forecast. But first, some areas where we can expect a chance of some snow for this evening. I think snow is going to be moving in, but as you can see, it's very light off and on through 1:30 tomorrow morning. And during the day tomorrow, as you see about 7:30 in the morning, light snow shower, not a lot for the valley. During the day tomorrow, it remains on the dry side with just a few showers moving through until you get to Monday morning, and then you see some of those snow showers again on Monday. And then after that, it pretty much breaks up to some scattered showers on Monday afternoon, and then the cold air really starts to move in. So for tomorrow, not expecting a lot of snow. We're going to get a little bit overnight, but we're not going to be getting a lot during the day tomorrow. It starts to pick up again as we get more toward tomorrow evening. And you notice some of those temperatures will be just right around 30 degrees. 28 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Twin. Most of your central mountains will be into the lower 20s, where you're going to be getting 2 to 4 inches of snow in most of those mountain locations, especially in the towns. Down here in the valley, west end could be 1 to 2 inches, maybe another inch or so if that, but we could be seeing that for Boise. Same thing for Meridian. So your 7-day forecast shows it dries up on Monday, and then look at Tuesday morning. 6 degrees, Wednesday 10 degrees, 7 degrees Thursday morning, highs in the 20s, but it does start to come up just a bit as we get more toward the end of next week. We've got more news when we return.